Hello, today we are going to make a double shot espresso. So, you're gonna need a few ingredients, of course, but like the main thing you're gonna want to do is like get these exact products if you can. So I have them in the description below, so you can look through it, see what you want. This is our coffee grinder. It has the beans in it already. You can adjust what size the grounds are. Comes through here. If you push this button, I leave it all plugged up. It's all fine. This is made by Queso Brew. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's really good. It comes with different things. Drip tray, milk frother. It works really good. It does double and single shots. So for this, we're gonna do a double shot. But also, if you would like, you may do. So if you would like, you may do a single shot, but I prefer double. Okay, so first thing you want to do is power on the machine. And make sure the water tank is full. This is the tank. You're going to pull this out. You're going to grab your mug. Now, I don't use the milk texture. It's not my favorite. It makes it like a little watery. I use it every now and then. But I prefer to whisk the milk. Okay, it's done. So just power off the machine. Take it out. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to grab the milk. I use half and half, okay? Just don't let it like go over the rim. Okay, so you whisk it. Just don't let it go over the edge. Oh, crap. Yeah, let it go. That's okay, we whisked it and everything. So if you want, you can put flavorings in it, but usually usually, like, not usually, usually I don't put flavorings in my coffee, but sometimes, like, I'll put vanilla, but, it's really good. And sometimes I like to dip biscotti or madeleines in it, like, from Costco, so they're really good. And it's like Starbucks beans, espresso beans. You can find it decaf, but I don't think they have Swiss water process. Make sure to get Swiss water process. Pete's has it. I think it's Pete's. But that's how you make a double shot espresso. A latte. Pretty good. Better than Starbucks.